Hi, I'm Charlie,
And I'm Frankie.
and we're from Morford Smith.
We're here today at Bubble Design to get a new website because our one is frankly not really up to task.
It's rubbish.
Yeah.
So we're going to get a good one that has some features that people actually want to use.
Let's go and see what they can offer us.
At Morford Smith, we offer a bespoke service across every discipline, but you never would have guessed it from our tired old website. We wanted real tools that were useful to all our customers, so our pitch was nothing short of ambitious. The team at Bubble Design brought their A-game at every stage of the process. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, a landlord or a tenant, a first-time builder or a national giant, there are engaging resources to help with every stage of your journey. It has been an absolute pleasure to work with Bubble Design to bring our vision to life. Thanks to their efforts, we now have a fully interactive website that we are proud to call our own.